Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can use audit logs. To begin, click on your profile, navigate to Settings, and then select Audit Logs on the left. This is where you'll find all the audit logs. These logs help you monitor all user and system activities across your organization. Here, you can see the titles, modules, workspace, actions, users, and the dates they were edited. These audit logs help you keep track of what was created, updated, or deleted, by whom and when. Use the search bar at the top to locate a specific project, workspace, goal, etc. You can also filter by specific actions. Simply click on this, then choose Create, Update, or Delete. For instance, if you select Create, you'll see a list of workspaces, projects, goals, etc., along with the date they were created and who created them. You can also filter by specific modules. Just click on Module and select any module from the list. For example, if you want to check all the forms that were deleted, select Forms from the list and then select Delete in the action field. The results will be updated accordingly, showing all the deleted forms, who deleted them, and when they were deleted. You can also select multiple actions. Click on this and let's say you also want to include updated forms. Simply choose Update. Now, as you can see, 2 actions are selected, and the results show forms that were updated and some that were deleted. To check the log details, click on the 3 dots. Here you'll find the log details. And that's how you can use audit logs. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.